give you a proper, well-defined set of characteristics. Which is
when I came here, I had a lot of confusion and a lot of questions in my mind. My concepts were not clear, but right now, I have got a lot of my concepts clear. Dr. Sarika and Mr. Dr. Vilas and Mr. Siddharth have cleared a lot of our concepts. So I think it is a good thing, and I think every physio or every OT should come and do the course once.
Yeah, thank you.
वर्कशॉप तो जो मेरे एक्सपेक्टेशन था उससे लाख गुना ज़्यादा अच्छा नहीं था. मैं बिल्कुल अच्छा नॉलेज मिला उसके लिए. थैंक यू सो मच.